Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels, a black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, garage door openers, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 21,876 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this certified pre-owned 2018 Mercedes-Benz C300, visit us at feldmannimports.com.